welcome to Level of Save. Well, spring is officially here, and I am personally working on deep cleaning my household and getting everything in order, preparing for summer break. So I want to stock up on some cleaning supplies, and I want to show you some really great cleaning supplies couponing deals that you can do this Saturday, April 15th at Dollar General to save a bunch of money. If you enjoy the deals, please do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up like button. It goes a long way to help support my channel. Greatly appreciated, more than you could possibly know. And let's get started. Oh, but first, I want to let you know about my Patreon page. In case you're interested in having access to all of my couponing deals every week in an easy downloadable PDF file format. This week, I wrote 120 couponing deals. Check out my video description down below. That's where I put all the important information that you guys need to know relating to this deal video. And it will take you over my Patreon page where you can get started. So first up, for our first deal, grab 3 bags of the 12-count finished quantum dishwasher tablets, one of the Dawn Easy Squeeze containers. Awesome product, by the way. Cannot recommend it enough. And then one of the Dawn dish soap refills. After all coupons, and of course that includes the 5 off of 25 Saturday coupon, you gotta make sure you clip that one. No, it will not automatically come off. That means makes our total out-of-pocket come down to just $13.21 plus tax, and that makes for a total savings of 50% off for this deal. By the way, in case you're wondering why I tend to leave my bloopers in or when I stumble over my words and I don't edit them out of the video, it's because after everything that went on for me in 2022, I'm trying to work on getting my confidence back, and leaving these in definitely helps my confidence. And you guys have always been super supportive in the comments and love my bloopers, so I just wanted to let you know that's why I leave them in. So for our second cleaning supplies deal, grab 1 bottle of Lysol laundry sanitizer, awesome product by the way, 1 bottle of Gain fabric softener, 2 of the Mr. Clean Clean Freak sprays, and then 1 Febreze small spaces. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $12.70 plus tax, and that makes for a total savings of 54% off. If you are a fan of Mr. Clean Magic Erasers, I cannot emphasize you enough. This is your moment to shine and stock up for super cheap. We do not get this coupon very often. I'm telling you, take advantage of these deals. So that's what we're going to do in deal number 3. Grab 4 boxes of the 6-count Mr. Clean Magic Erasers and then 1 of the Febreze small spaces. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $9.20 plus tax. And that makes for a total savings of 64% off. That is amazing. Our total out of pocket is barely like a couple dollars over the full retail full retail amount of just 1 box of the Magic Erasers. That's amazing. Then we have cleaning supplies deal number 4. Grab 2 tubs of the Lysol wipes, the 35 count size, 2 bottles of the Mr. Clean Clean Freak sprays, and then 2 boxes of those 6-count Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $15.25 plus tax. That makes for a total savings of 49% off. Now, I just thought of a great idea. While I was working on this deal video and doing the voiceover, you know what this deal would be really great for? A end of the school year gift to your kids' teachers, especially if you have kiddos like me in the pre-K to kindergarten age, because oh man, let's be real, they make a mess and they get germs everywhere. This would be a really great deal to thank your kids' teachers. For deal number 5, grab 1 of the Febreze small spaces, 1 bottle of Clorox bleach. I was so excited to see that we got this $1 off Clorox bleach coupon. We do not get this one very often. 1 bottle of Lysol all-purpose cleaner, 1 35 count size tub of Lysol wipes, 2 bottles of the Mr. Clean Clean Freak sprays, and 1 Airwick plug-in. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $10.95 plus tax, and that makes for a total savings of 61% off for this deal. For our 6th deal, grab 2 of the Airwick Vibrant refills. I heard these smell amazing, by the way. If you've tried them, let me know down below in the comments. I'm really curious. Then grab 1 2-count pack of the Febreze small spaces, 1 Febreze plug-in, 1 Airwick plug-in, and then 1 of the Chic Intuition razors. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $10.65 plus tax. That is an amazing 68% off for this deal. Next up, for cleaning supplies deal number 7, grab 1 bag of Tide Simply Pods, 1 bag of regular Tide Pods, 1 bottle of Gain detergent, 1 bottle of Gain fabric softener, and then 1 bottle of Gain Fireworks. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.45 plus tax. That makes for a total savings of 52% off. This is a really great deal to stock up on the majority of your laundry needs. The only thing it's missing is some dryer sheets. I need to work on some dryer sheet deals for you guys soon. For deal number 8, grab 1 bottle of Swiffer Wet Jet Refill, 2 bottles of Mr. Clean Clean Freak Sprays, 1 12-count pack of Finish Quantum Dishwasher tablets, and then 1 2-count pack of Oral-B toothbrushes. I love using these toothbrushes for cleaning around the house, by the way. Awesome, awesome cleaning tool. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.05 plus tax, and that makes for a total savings of 62% off for this deal. Moving on to deal number 9. Get 3 bags of the Finish Quantum Dishwasher tablets, 1 Gain fabric softener, 1 Gain detergent, and then 1 Airwick plug-in. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $10.60 plus tax. That makes for a total savings of 59% off for this deal. I am really excited for cleaning supplies deal number 10 in this video. I haven't worked the Resolve and the Arm & Hammer Carpet Odor Eliminator into a deal in quite some time. I don't know why. And they are 2 of my favorite deals, especially now that it's getting nicer outside and dirt and mud's coming into the house and all over the carpet. So it's time to stock up. For this deal, grab 1 bag of Tide Simply Pods, 2 bottles of the Resolve carpet cleaners. We have 2 different coupons for them. And then grab 2 boxes of the Arm & Hammer Carpet Odor Eliminator in whichever scent you want. And then 1 pack of the Schick Intuition razors. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $14.75 plus tax. That makes for a total savings of 46% off, which is amazing when you consider that we didn't even have a coupon for the Arm & Hammer Carpet Odor Eliminators. And man, is that a tongue twister to say. I cannot believe I got that out without stumbling over my words. Yay! Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video and feel inspired to save a bunch of money this week at Dollar General. If you enjoyed the deals, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up like button on your way out. Also, click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future deals, and click on the notification bell as well. That's one of the easiest ways to not miss out on my couponing deals, because you'll receive a notification every time I post couponing deals and you won't miss out, like I said. And I will see you in the next video.